initial setup of the headphones, follow the instructions on the package, which is to put the earpieces inside the charging case and then download the Sony Headphones app. Once the app is downloaded, then take out the earpieces again from the case and then follow the prompts on the screen to connect this to your phones via Bluetooth. And if you have an Android phone, then the process is even easier. Just tap the phone with the charging case and then follow the prompts on your screen to connect the device with your Bluetooth. Now let's talk about the design for a second. So they come in two colors, black and this kind of beige or brown that I got, the one that I just got here. I like the way they look when I put these on, but then again, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder, so I will leave this part up to you to decide. The case is magnetic but pretty big in size. When you put this in your pocket, there is a big bulge, which is even more noticeable if you wear a tight pair of jeans. But then again, the bigger size of the case is somewhat compensated by a whopping 18 hours of juice that it can provide to the headphones. So you get a massive 24 hours worth of listening time in total, when you consider the 6 hours worth of listening time that the headphones can provide on its own. And when you're running low in power, a 10-minute charge will give you a 90 minutes worth of audio playback time. Sadly, the case cannot be charged wirelessly like the new case for the Apple AirPods. There is an app which is pretty sweet that lets you dive deep into the settings, like for example, you can choose an equalizer preset or set something up manually that you like. Then you can control the noise cancellation mode. Now, this is very interesting. The headphones have adaptive noise cancellation. Yes, adaptive noise cancellation. So what that means is that it can detect if you are walking, sitting down, or in a train, and then it will adjust the level of noise cancellation or the ambient noise itself. In my testing, the auto adjusting worked very well, but I always like to have the noise cancellation at its max level because that is how I think the music sounds the best. So if you want, you can just go in the app and manually set that up and turn off this auto switching part. There is a circular touch enabled surface on the front side of both the earphones. You can use the app to assign what the left or right headphones would do between turning ambient sound control on or off, or to call Google Assistant. And speaking about noise cancellation, you would be getting some high quality noise cancellation from this device, if not the very best. I mean, of course, it's not as good as the over-ear headphones like the Sony's WH-1000 XM3 or the Bose's QC35s, but this has hands down the best noise cancellation among all the other truly wireless headphones that I have ever tried. The sound quality is excellent as well. It's sharp and can get quite loud, but better than AirPods, obviously, by miles, of course. But in my testing, the Bluetooth connection kept dropping from time to time, even when in the app I set this up to prioritize the connectivity over others. This could also happen due to me having set the ambient sound and noise cancellation to auto. I guess when I am moving, it takes a moment to realize what settings it should go to. And during that time, there is a drop in signal or kind of a lag, which irritated me a little bit. So I hope that they fix this with a firmware update in the future. And call quality is good as expected. I had a chat with my friend while I was walking in the streets and she said she could hear me clearly. But as soon as a bus went past, she said all she could hear was the loud noise from the bus. So maybe there is a little room for improvement here, or maybe a firmware update will make this even better. Who knows? Anyways, there is also no mention of these being water resistant or water repellent on Sony's website. Since they cost 400 Australian dollars, I could not risk testing these dipping in water because I need to return this review unit in one piece. So I suggest take it for a walk or a workout, that it's fine. But if it's raining, then don't use them. I mean, just stay careful when you are around water or anything like that with these things. Now that I have mentioned the price, what do you guys think? Is it good value for money or not? I would say that if Apple can charge almost $300 for their new AirPods, Sony is well within logical boundaries to charge their headphones for $400, considering what it can do. But if I had to spend $400 on a pair of headphones, then I think I would buy the over-ear headphones from Sony or Bose, just because you get the superior noise cancellation and that thumping bass, which makes good music sound even better. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!